Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be quite a quick video on how you can install a UniFi OS server on your Windows machine. If you're also looking on how to get it started on a Linux machine, I have a video for that as well. I'm going to link that somewhere above the screen with a card. But if we're talking about a Windows, there's basically just one dependency slash requirement. You need to have WSL2 available on your Windows. And I myself, right now, I'm running Windows 11, I think up to date with all of the latest updates. So if you don't have a WSL, just click on Start, search for the PowerShell. Important, you need to run it as an administrator. If you don't have administrator account, you need to get it. And then what you need to do is type WSL -- and install. Then just click enter. I'm not going to do that because I already have WSL. So for us, what we need to do is we need to download the actual US server installer for Windows. And that one comes from ui.com/download/releases/UniFi OS server. I'm going to try to remember to link it also in the description of this video. And basically there are two packages for the Linux, two for Mac OS, two for the Windows. So you need to click download, which is going to download the actual installer, which is something like 1.5 gigs. I already have it somewhere around here. So here's the actual installer that I just downloaded, UOS Server. And here is the installer for UOS Server that I just downloaded, and just double click it. That's it. You don't need to run any sort of commands or scripts or anything else. Just a typical installer for the Windows application. Double click it, which is going to open the setup wizard, which looks like this, where you choose whether or not you want to who should this application be installed for, whether it's going to be just for you, the existing user who just logged in, or for all users. Then we click next, choose the path of the installation. If you don't want to keep it default, for me default is enough, so click install. This is going to take a minute or two for this to finish, and let's wait until it's done. When the installation is finished, you're going to see the screen like this, like completing UniFi OS server setup. Run UniFi OS server, click finish. This is going to again take like 5 seconds or something for it to load. Then on my second screen, so I cannot move here right now, we're starting application. This may take a few moments and basically a loading bar. So again, we need to wait for a minute or two. And as we can see, the UOS server has started. Right now it is booting. Please wait approximately 1 to 2 minutes while your UniFi OS server prepares for the setup. So again, we need to wait a little bit. Then we need to choose UniFi OS server name that's actually going to be used for us. I'm going to call this Home Lab Tutorial. Click next. Then if you don't already have a UI account, you need to create it here. So just provide your email, username, password, and follow the instructions in your email. Since I do have account already, I'm going to use the sign in button. And if you don't want to do like none of these, you don't have account, you don't want to create it, you can still proceed without a UI account. So for me, let me just log in the background. So now I need to copy paste the two-factor authentication code. Let me grab it from my email. Should be somewhere. There we go. So just copy paste and good. Restore from the backup if you do want to do that, if you already have some backup in place. I don't want to do that, so continue without a backup. And setting up UniFi OS, configuring your UniFi OS server and network settings. Again, probably that's the last wait that we need to wait until we're actually there. Setup complete. You can now manage your UniFi OS server from anywhere, and we can do like go to the dashboard locally or manage from unifiui.com, which I already have here. And here we have a new site, and also UniFi OS server appeared in the independent sites. Home Lab Tutorial. There we go. If I want to add it to my API demo fabric, just click manage, Home Lab Tutorial, move to fabric, API demo. And there we go. Site moved to fabric successfully. close editor, API demo fabric, and there I have my UniFi OS server. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. I'm going to try to help you out.